Good morning from day 11 here on the Camino de Santiago. We are in a little town called Cirueña this morning. It's pretty much a ghost town.
So we're about to get back on the way this morning. It's going to be a short day, it looks like. There is a chance of rain in the forecast, but it's pretty low, so we might actually go one day without rain gear, which is nice.
And I can see the sun peeking through the clouds over there, so we're hoping for a little bit of sunshine. So we are at our stop for the night, and we are at San Juan Bautista. It is in the bell tower of this old iglesia or church, and we've heard that it is one of the most magical experiences here on the Camino. There's supposed to be lots of love, happiness, camaraderie, friendship, and it just embraces the true spirit of the Camino. So we're really excited to stay here. So we are in Grañon. We were really hungry when we got here, so we headed across the street from our albergue to this cute little place called My Way, and it is fabulous. They play lots of great music, they have some great drinks, some great food, pizza.
If you ever decide to do the Camino, this is definitely a place you need to stop.